guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. I am so excited because we have a new launch from Fantasy Cosmetica, and this is their Cosmic Cove palette. This is for the colorful eyeshadow lover. Look at these beautiful colors. This is definitely a matte heavy palette, but you are getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different shimmers in this 12 pan palette. Now, this launch happens on May the 28th at 11 a.m. CST. I do have an affiliate code with Fantasy Cosmetica, and I believe it is Steff. It's either Steff or Steff10. It'll be down here, and that will save you 10% off of your order. This collection is going to include perfume, as their typical launches include. There might be something else. There might be a couple nail polishes associated with this launch as well. Those are the 3 things that Fantasy Cosmetica is known for: beautiful eyeshadow palettes, beautiful nail polishes, and unique fragrances. I'm going to be creating 2 looks with this palette. If you want to see how it all turns out, how this new one is going to perform, Cosmic Cove from Fantasy Cosmetica, keep on watching. Okay, so let's start creating look number 1 with Cosmic Cove. Very excited about this really colorful palette. I forgot to mention in the intro, this palette will retail for $49.99, less of course an affiliate code, and again minus Steff for 10% off. I think I am gonna start here. This will kind of match my top. I'm gonna do this in the inner corner, and then maybe I will go into these 2 shades right here. That is Sister's Tale. You see, she's here with me. Let's see. Come over here, sisters. Say hi to everybody right here. Sister says hi. Let's get started. I'm going to use a Singe Beauty EO2 to apply this first shade right in here, this like inner half. Now in a Singe EO5, I'm going to go into this shade. Apply that right out here. I did lay down some Alter Ego eyeshadow primer. Now on that same brush, we're going to dip into this dark blue and do that right out here. Also work that a little bit into the crease. Okay, I'm really liking the blend I'm getting. These mattes are super pigmented, and I think so far so good. I'm gonna lay down a little bit of glitter primer, and then we're gonna go into one of the 5 beautiful shimmer shadows. I think I have to go in with this shade right here. Or should we do like something really contrast? The yellow could be, ooh, let's try the yellow. Let's do this yellow shade. And I laid down some Gourmand Girls glitter glue. That is beautiful. I do have lashes on, as I'm sure you've noticed already. They are my favorite lashes, the Alexis lashes from Shop Miss A. And I applied them underneath my lashes this morning. I think this one's like falling off over here a little bit. But I've been doing like this look a lot, just doing a lash, sometimes no eyeliner, and then the rest of my makeup as you see it. And it's just something quick and easy, and it's easy on my shoulder because I've been having problems with my right shoulder. That is stunning. Wow. I love that. Now we got to do something for the lower lash line. I think we need to go in with the shade Ooze. I'm using a Singe Beauty E11 brush to apply this shade. I'm going to take that right through to the inner corner. That can be our inner corner highlight. Ooh, love that. I do have a little bit of eyeliner in my waterline, which I might just dab out and apply with a fun color. But I will take care of those finishing touches off camera, and I'll be right back to show you this completed look number 1. Okay guys, so here's the completed look number one. I did not do any eyeliner on the top lash line. I just left the lash as it was, just touched up the mascara, and I went in with a lime green eyeliner right here. This is from Moira. I love the way this came out. Look at that shimmer. That shimmer is intense, and I didn't have a white base down or anything. I just went in on top of the lid the way the shadow was with that Gourmand Girls glitter glue, and it's absolutely amazing. I'm going to do a complete look tomorrow, and I'm also going to wear test it for you. For me, it's tomorrow. For you guys, it's in a few seconds, and I'm going to do a 10-hour wear test, and then I will give you my final thoughts on Fantasy Cosmetica Cosmic Cove palette. Stay tuned. All right, so let's start creating look number two. I really have no idea what I'm wearing to work today. It's Friday, so I'll probably end up wearing maybe one of my work shirts, and that's going to be blue. So we could really go anywhere. I have not used this shade. I haven't used this shade or this shade. I think, man, this has been one of my favorite shades, but I think I'm gonna go in here with this one. And then maybe do a combination of these two, save this one for the lower lash line. Let's see where that takes us. I'm using a Gain Beauty E01 for this inner corner, inner half shade. Actually, I think I'm just going to take this shade all the way through out here, kind of flick it out as well. Now in our Rephr 14, I'm going to go in with this shade, and we're going to smoke that out in the outer corner. Okay guys, so I think we have a really nice blend. I'm going to add that darker pink shade to the lower lash line before we start working with these beautiful shimmer shadows. And I'm using a Singe Beauty E11 brush. Next, I'm going to lay down some of my Gourmand Girls glitter primer for the lid. Next, I think I'm going to go in with this beautiful shimmer shadow. It has like a turquoise flip to it. Oh, that's perfect with this look. Look at that. Beautiful. Now I'm just touching up the outer shades. So the lavender, the gray, just to make sure everything is blended. Very lightly though. Okay, now I think we need something for the inner corner. I'm going to go in with this shade right here using a What's Up Beauty R11 brush. Perfect. Look at that. Ah. All right, guys, I'm going to go take care of these finishing touches off camera. I'm going to do some lashes. I'll be right back to show you this completed look number two. Okay, guys, so here's the completed look number two. I love the shift in the shadow. I think this is just such a cool makeup look, eyeshadow look with the gray and the lavender, and then the hot pink pop of color at the bottom. Same everything from last time with the exception of the lower waterline. A eyeliner from NYX in the shade Pink Spirit. Same Miss Shop Miss A Alexis lashes. They're my favorite. I'm going to wear test this look. I'll be wearing it for the next 9-10 hours. When I get home from work, I will give you guys my final thoughts on the Cosmic Cove eyeshadow palette. A very beautiful, colorful palette. Had a lot of fun working with it. Before I go, I wanted to share that Fantasy Cosmetica, they did send me a little perfume sample, and I think Sister just absconded with it because I don't see it anywhere, but I'll put the name of it right here, and it has notes of sandalwood, vanilla, jasmine, lily. I love jasmine, so if you like that fragrance, they sell sample sizes and then bigger sizes from there. It's going to all be part of the collection that's going to be dropping very soon. I will give you guys more details when I wrap up the video, and of course you can check the description box for more details as well. I will see you guys later on, but for you all in a few seconds. Okay guys, so here we are at the 10.5 hour mark. This eyeshadow look, I absolutely love it. I got a ton of compliments today. Went to Sephora during my lunch break, got compliments there. They wanted to know which palette it was, but I did not say a word because at the time that I'm filming this, this palette has not even been revealed. But I just directed them to the Fantasy Cosmetica website. I love COVE. I think they did a beautiful job with it, a very colorful palette, which Fantasy Cosmetica doesn't always give us colorful palettes. So I'm happy. I'm happy that they did this, especially going into summer. We need bright, fun colors, and I love it all day long. I'm wearing this shade right now on my lids, and it's just probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. Overall, I think the matte shades are very easy to work with, very pigmented, blendable. The shimmers will definitely pack a punch, and use a glitter glue. I use the one from Gourmand Girls. No fallout, stayed in place, looks great, looked great all day long. Absolutely love it. Don't forget that you can use my affiliate code Steff. It's Steff or Steff10, but I believe it's Steff. I'll have it down here. That will save you 10% off. This palette is going to drop on May the 28th at 11 a.m. CST. I'll have more details in the description box of this video. Don't forget there are perfumes available, and I think there might be some nail polishes. Fantasy Cosmetica is a wonderful indie makeup brand, and I hope that you will consider picking this palette up. Let me know which look you like best. Are you team 1, team 2? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see you soon. Bye.